Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. Let's continue our discussion in a management accounting. So this time we'll be focusing on the profit and loss. Although this is somewhat synonymous to income statement. So profit and loss, why is it important? Because it guides the management in his decision. Okay, so we call it P&L statement, known as the income statement. Summarizes company's revenue, costs, and expenses over a specific period, usually monthly, quarterly, or annually. So producing P&L is a fundamental part of financial reporting, offering a clear picture of a company's operations, performance, and profitability. So for the purpose of this discussion, P&L statement is to measure business financial performance, assess profitability, and provide insights that guide management decision. So management is not blinded. They have a basis in closing a shop or expanding like this one. Decisions, budgeting, and investment planning. So P&L also ensures compliance with accounting standards and aids in meeting stakeholders' expectation. So let's have our main points is revenue recording. This capture all sources of income, including sales, services, and other earnings. Another is follow accrual accounting principles to record income when earned, not after or before. We have the cost of goods, record direct costs related to producing goods or delivering services. So gross profit, revenue minus cost of goods. Okay, the revenue is the sales. Cost of goods is the expense. So the difference, if it is positive, so uh, you have a positive profit. Negative, that you have losses, no? Gain if you have a positive. Then another point is operating expenses, include admin, selling, and general expenses, marketing, utilities, and payroll. So all these important inputs to produce the output. So then another point is other income and expenses, account and non-operational items like interest income, interest expense, and asset disposal. For example, those are old equipments have to be sold and make revenue. And then another point is net profit calculation. Deduct all expenses, including taxes from total revenues to determine final profit or loss. So as a validation from IASB, okay. So P&L is required to report for accurate performance assessment. 2023 PwC study found that companies regularly producing P&L statements experience 18% better budget accuracy and profitability forecasting. So illustration, we have particulars, revenue amount 250,000, less COGS 100,000, gross profit 150, operating expense 60, operating profit 90, other income 5,000, less interest expense 10,000, profit before tax is 85,000, less taxes 17,000, net profit is 68,000. So this is a what we call example of profit and loss. So application, apply in management, monitor operational and cost control. For investors, evaluate return, potential investment. For banks, assess repayment capacity before lending. For regulators, ensure financial reporting compliance. Its value, P&L provides clarity on income and expense trends, identifies cost savings opportunities, and supports long-term strategic planning. It's also essentials for investors' confidence and financial negotiation. In conclusion, P&L statement is more than a compliance exercise. It is a powerful management tool. By accurately presenting revenue, expenses, and profits, it enables informed decision making, enhances accountability, and ensures the business remains financially sustainable. So we lifted this from IAS PwC Warren. So if you have some question, you can call me on my number. Send me my WhatsApp now. Thank you for having with me. Bye-bye.